Today we will tell you about how to install a foot operated valve. Firstly, open Spout's nut and washers. Then place the spout on the top of the wash basin and tighten the nut by putting a washer in it from below. See, the spout is fixed. Now we will install the foot valve. Firstly, we would open the base plate with the help of screwdriver. Now base plate is separated from the valve. Now we will mark 4 holes in the floor according to foot valve position. With the help of drill, make the holes in the floor. 4 holes are done. Now put plugs in it. Now put the base plate and tighten the screws. Now above this base plate, we will install the foot operated valve. Standard packing, row plugs and screws are provided. Now the foot valve would be fixed on the base plate with the help of screws. We will fix this properly so that it doesn't get loose while operating. We fix the valve properly with this. You see, in this there is an inlet and an outlet. We have to fix the pipe inlet with angle cock. See, the connection is made like this. With this, we will fix the pipe. The connection of the pipe to the water outlet of the valve is to be fitted in spout. Now we fixed it with spout. See, the installation process is completed and foot operated valve is ready to be used. Now open the angle cock. For more information, please contact JAL Bath Fittings.